Okay, so let's take a look on how to reset an Amcrest camera. Here I have a 5 megapixel PoE camera. It's already working, connected here to my switch, and this switch is also connected to my router using this cable. Okay, so the camera is powered using PoE, power over Ethernet. The power is coming here from my switch, PoE switch, and I'm going to reset the camera. As you can see here, the image is working. You can see here on my cell phone. So pretty good. You have to open here because the reset button is just right here, okay? Have this already opened so you can move faster here, and then you can just hold this button here for 5 seconds and you're gonna have your camera reset, right? So let me just press here and hold for 5 seconds. Then you're gonna see that the image is going to be lost. Okay, you're gonna lose the image here from the cell phone. Then again, start over. See, I'm moving the camera. The image is there is frozen, so it's not working anymore. I just release it here and it's going to work again. Okay, if you don't have access to the camera somehow because you didn't set up the camera yet, you can do the same process, right? So here's them showing you that I have to reset the camera by holding the button here. And here I can't remove the camera from here because I no longer have it here. Here in Device Manager, I have this camera. If I come here, I can delete it, right? Let's say you're starting from scratch, you don't have any camera here, so you need to add a new device, right? To add a new device, you just need to click here, select your PoE camera, and here P2P connection, and then just read the QR code here on the label. So here on the camera, you find this label with the QR code, you point to your cell phone, it's gonna read it, and here you need to insert a username and a password. Here's the default username and password, which is admin and admin. You just give the camera a name, let's say office. Here we go, office, and then hit start live view. The first time you do this, the camera is going to ask you to use a new password. Okay, you can insert a new password instead of using admin. Here we go, it takes some time, but it's asking for a new password. So let me just input a new password here. And here we go, I have a new password. I just hit OK. And I have the image from the camera again, okay? So basically working, right? So pretty easy. Remember to reset the camera, just holding the button here for 5 seconds. Then the camera is going to restart. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to restart, so be patient and you're gonna have your camera set up again, right? So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.